Hi, today I will teach you how to create an interactive clickable button in Figma. Let's start. First, create a button. If you have not watched my previous video on creating different button styles, the link is available in description. For a quick recap, select the text tool, type your button text, change the fill color and adjust the text color. Make the corners rounded and here your button is created. Now, create a copy of this button and drag it below the original one. Now select both buttons together and go to drop down menu and select create component set. Here your component set is created. Now change the text and fill color of the second buttons so you can easily notice the differences when interacting with it. Now to add interaction, go to the prototype tab. Click the plus icon and add an interaction. Now set the trigger on to click and action to change to. Now select the second button variant. Now do the same with the second button. So when you click the buy button, it changes back to hello. And here your interactive button is ready. Now to test it, create a frame. On the right sidebar, you can see multiple pre-built frames available for laptop, desktop, tablets, mobile phone, etc. You can either choose one from here or create a custom frame. I'll create a custom frame. Now go to the assets panel, select your component and drag it inside the frame. Now click the present button to preview the result. Now when you click this hello button, it changes to buy as you can see, and when you click buy, it changes back to hello. So that's how you create an interactive button using components and variants in Figma. Thanks for watching, and if you want to watch more Figma tutorials, subscribe to Insights and Interface and leave a like. See you in the next one.